We have been hearing about Galaxy M series for quite a while now. It is supposedly Samsung's new lineup for the smartphone in the mid-range segment. In this video, we are going to see some leaked specs and the price range that Galaxy M series will come in. The Galaxy M is expected to replace the Galaxy C, Galaxy J and Galaxy On family in a bid to simplify the company's smartphone roster. Now let's first talk about the Galaxy M10. The Galaxy M will sport a 6.5-inch HD display with Samsung Infinity V display with 95% screen-to-body ratio. It will have a primary camera of 13 megapixel with a 5 megapixel second camera acting as a depth focusing camera. It will also have a 5 megapixel selfie camera. Now speaking of the CPU, Galaxy M10 has a Exynos 7872 hexa-core SoC. It is a mid-range processor by Samsung launched in 2018. This should result in a much more performance. Benchmarks show that Samsung SoC is much powerful than the Snapdragon 625, which is the most popular chipset. The Galaxy M10 comes in two different variants. A 2GB RAM variant coupled with a 16GB internal memory and a 3GB RAM variant coupled with a 32GB internal memory. It also has a 3400 mAh battery. Also, it comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. Next is Galaxy M20. It has a 6.3 Full HD display with Infinity V display same as in M10. It also has the same 13+5 megapixel camera setup in the rear. And the changes comes with the front camera, which is a 8 megapixel sensor. The M20 has a Exynos 7885 octa-core SoC, which is an upper mid-range chipset by Samsung. The Galaxy M20 also comes in two different variants, a 16GB internal memory variant and a 32GB internal memory variant, which both have the same 3GB RAM. Unlike M10, it has a large 5000 mAh battery, which accounts for a much better battery life. Moving on to Galaxy M30, it comes with a 6.4 Full HD display, again with the Infinity V display setup. Unlike M10 and M20, it does not have a dual camera setup but a triple camera setup with 13+5+5 camera in the back and a 16 megapixel camera in the front. It also has a 5000 mAh battery. The Galaxy M30 comes in three different variants. A 4GB 16GB, a 6GB 32GB and an 8GB 128GB combination. The M series is a mid-range segment by Samsung. That being said, the lowest price of M10 series will be around 8,990 rupees in India. And for the M20 that will be around 12,990 rupees and for M30 it will be around 19,990 rupees in India. That is a bold pricing by Samsung, but Samsung does not have a choice since it is feeling pressurized in the subcontinent by the Chinese brands like Xiaomi and Realme. These are the specs of Galaxy M series. Anyways, these phones will launch by January 2018. What do you guys think about these phones? Will you go buy the M series or will you still offer the other brands? Anyways, here's a poll for you guys to let us know what you think about these. Hope you guys have liked this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get instantly notified. This is Akshay signing off from TechDome.